Okay, so for number one, we are asked to compute for the uh, unit contribution margin rate, at saka variable cost rate. So my starting point dito ay yung sales per unit, no? Ah, wait, I'm not, ito, okay, sales per unit ito. Maybe I should modify this to sales per unit. So yun yung ginamit ko para ma-compute yung variable or your unit contribution margin. So syempre i-deduct ko dito yung variable cost to get the contribution margin per unit na 96. For the second requirement, which is the contribution margin rate, you simply divide 96 by 240. So that will give you the contribution margin ratio na 40%. We are also asked to compute for the variable cost rate. So you can divide 144 by 240, or you can simply deduct 40% from 100%. So that will give you 60%. Uh, Question number two for problem one, we are asked to compute for the break-even points in units and in pesos. So, ang pinagsimulan ko ng solution ko dito ay yung contribution margin at break-even point, which is also equal to the fixed expense kasi nga pinag-usapan natin dito is break-even point. So, ang contribution margin at break-even point is 3,840,000. Now, to compute for the sales in pesos, I will divide 3,840,000 by the contribution margin ratio. So, ang break-even sales mo in pesos is 9,000,006. To convert it into units, you can divide that amount by the selling price per unit. So, that will give you a break-even point in uh, units na 40,000. For requirement number 3, we're asked to compute for the margin of safety in units and in pesos. So, nagsimula ako sa actual sales. Remember, margin of safety is the excess of actual sales over break-even sales. So, from actual sales, of course, I will deduct the break-even sales in units, which is 40,000. So, that will give you a margin of safety in units amounting to 28,000. So, imumultiply ko lang yan sa selling price per unit para ma-convert or makuha natin yung margin of safety in pesos amounting to 6,720,000. For question number 4, we are asked to compute for the margin of safety in ratio. So, ang ginamit ko dito ay yung margin of safety in units. I-divide mo siya dun sa actual units sold to get the margin of safety ratio na 41.18%.